crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Okay guys, good afternoon. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And today I'm going to talk about permission, prohibition, obligation, non-obligation. When we want to express permission, prohibition, not allowing something, obligation or non-obligation, we use modal verbs. Permission, can, may, could. Can is most often to use to ask for or give permission, but may and could are also possible, even though they are not used as often as can. Can I borrow a pen? I can sit here. The seat free. Could I open the window? May I ask a question? Prohibition, can't and mustn't, must not, are used to show that something is prohibited, not allowed. You can go into that restaurant without a tie. You can drive in this country unless you are over 18. You mustn't use your phone in this class. Can't usually gives the idea of something that is against the rules. Mustn't usually means that it is the speaker who is setting the rule. Obligation, have to and must, are both used to express obligation. There is a slight difference in the way that they are both used. Have to show that the obligation comes from someone else, not the speaker. This is usually referring to a rule or law. We have to be at the airport at least 2 hours before the flight. I have to work on Saturday. They have to wear the uniform at the school. Must show us that the obligation comes from the speaker. I must hand in my thesis by tomorrow. I really must call my parents. Here is an example of the difference between have to and must. My doctor said that I have to stop smoking or I risk serious problems. I have no choice. I must stop smoking. It's costing me too much money. It's my decision. We use don't have to show that there is no obligation. You can do something if you want, but you know there is no obligation. You don't have to wear a tie to go to that restaurant, but it would be nice. You didn't have to call me for me. I could have got a taxi. A student don't have to wear uniform to a school. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This was all for today. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Happy New Year Eve. Bye bye.